Hello everyone, welcome back to Study with Entomologist. Today we are starting a new series on ICFRE previous year paper. So, beginning with the ICFRE 2023 question paper. I hope you're enjoying this video and find it helpful. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. So, here the first question is, how many approximate number of different species of ladybird beetle are there in the world? So, the correct option is 3000. Second question, how old is the oldest insect fossil in million of years? So it is 400 million of years old. Question third, which place has greatest biodiversity on earth? So Amazon rainforest have greatest biodiversity on earth. Fourth question, which insect order is never associated with the plant? So that is the Siphonoptera. So which include Siphonoptera includes the order of insect known as fleas. These are small wingless external parasite of mammal and birds that feed on the blood. So the key characteristic include their specialized piercing mouth part and powerful hind leg adapted for the jumping. So this is the order which is never associated with the plant. Fifth question, how many biogeographic zones are in India as per classification given by the Wildlife Institute of India? So those are 10 in number. Question 6. Who is father of taxonomy? So the father of taxonomy is Carl Linnaeus. Third option. 7th. Out of the total flora and fauna species estimated, how many approximately species are of insect? So that is the 70%. Question 8. Question 8. Which order does not have aquatic insect? The order is Orthoptera. Question 9. Family of rice gandhi bug is? So that is the Elididae. Question 10. Insects which are found everywhere are called as? So those are called as cosmopolitan insect.
11th question, Subcalifera is distinguished from Anicifera based on short antenna and enlarged hind femur. 12th, which of the following suborder of insect are not yet recorded in India? That is the Argostemata. 13th, the modified wing of insect order Diptera are called as halteres. 14th, which one is the smallest order of insect in India? That is the Rhapidoptera. 15, maximum number of ocelli may be found in adult insect is? That is the number 3. Which structure lies below the frons and above the labrum? That is the clypeus. 17, the shell of an insect egg is called as chorion. 18, wing is lateral expansion of integument. 19, which is the smallest insect in the world? Options, so here is some glitch in this PDF. So the answer is firefly. 20th question, all ametabolous insect are? So all the ametabolous insect are the wingless. 21, which group of insect has simplest metamorphosis? So it is bug. 22, which part of the body do the leg attach to? Thorax.
Next is, which order is exclusively hematophagous? It means blood feeders. So answer will be Siphonoptera. Next is, which one possesses larval stages? So in these all, housefly and the butterfly both are endopterygotes. So these have larval stages. Next, insect have blood which circulate through open circulatory system. So insect have open circulatory type of blood system. Next question is, in paddy, elongated leaf sheath when infested by gall midge is due to a chemical. It is known as cicerogen. Next is, the bushy appearance with dead heart in sugarcane at 6th internode is due to top shoot borer. Next is, site of oviposition for the mustard sawfly. So it is leaf margin. Next, leg is marketed as shellac. Next, grease painting in mango trees is a management practice for, we all know, that is a mango mealy bug. Next, pest which occur regularly and in a serious manner is known as epidemic pest. Next is, pebrine disease is silkworm is caused by, so it is caused by protozoa. Next, low concentration of glucose in the hemolymph of insect is maintained by conversion of glucose into tree halos, and this process happen in fat bodies. Next question is, in insect, the greater part of the fat body is made up of cells is known as, so these are known as trophocytes. Next, Indoxa carp belongs to which of the following group of insecticide? It's belong to oxadiazines. Next is, Coragen is trade name of, so it's trade name of Chlorantran niliprole 18.5 SC. If normal Chlorantran niliprole, then its trade name is Rhinexapyr, but specifically for the 18.5% SC, it is Coragen. Next, insect vector of tomato leaf cull virus is whitefly. Next is highest chemical pesticide consumer state in India. It is Maharashtra. Next, newspaper method in apiary is used for, so it is used for uniting two colonies. Option C is the correct. Next, origin of silk gland, it is ectodermal. Next is dipause in white grubs occur in adult stage. One bale of cotton is equal to, so it is equal to 170. Next, each trichocard contains how many parasitized eggs? So these are 20,000. Next question is the mode of action of spinosad is, so spinosad work on the nicotinic acetylcholine receptor, but it act as a allosteric activator. Next is rosette bloom in cotton is a characteristic damaging symptom of, so it is damaging symptoms of pink bollworm. Rosette bloom, double seed symptoms all belongs to the PBW. Next is downward curling of cherry leaves along the margins to attain an inverted boat shape is a characteristic damage symptoms of, so these are symptoms of mite, because mite mostly suck the juice from the lower side. Then next is fall armyworm invaded India during 2018 from, so it came from Africa. Next is it came from Africa. Next is egg parasitoid of ootheca of cockroach is, so that is Evania appendigester. Next, in aphids, overwintering eggs which hatch in the spring result into the, so these result into the female, that is known as fundatrix. Next, Trichospilus pupivora is a pupal parasitoid of, so it is pupal parasitoid of CBHC, coconut black-headed caterpillar. Next, sugarcane woolly aphid is, so sugarcane woolly aphid is Ceratophaccuna lanigera, and it's naturally controlled by the Daphia aphidivora. Next is AICRP, All India Coordinated Research Project on Biological Control is coordinated by, so it is coordinated by ICAR and BAIR at Bangalore in 1977. Next is the IOBC, the international organizations involved in biological control is, so it involved the International Organization for Biological Control at Zurich, Switzerland. Remember it also, IOBC full form is. Next, successful examples of forest plantation pest and their biological control include, so option will be B, Rhodolia cardinalis, Acacia purchasei, and the Acacia decurrens. Next is during 1941 and 42, the insecticide namely, so among these all options, HCH discovered by English and French and organophosphate by the Germans revolutionized chemical control. So remember this again, it is very important question. Option C is the correct option. Next is etapulgite is a diluent used for the formulation of, so it is used as a vegetable and WDAP like water dispersal powders as a diluent. Next question is in the mode of action of many insecticide, the neurotransmitter targeted include, so mostly they include acetylcholine and the GABA, both are the neurotransmitter, although one is excitatory and the other GABA is inhibitory type. Next is amongst the insecticide, the ones that mimic the acetylcholine in nerve transmission is, so among these all, neonicotinoids mimics as a nerve transmission or the acetylcholine. Next, the classification of insecticide as protoplasmic poisons is based on, so it is based on mode of actions and they are precipitated protein in the midgut epithelium. So these comes under the protoplasmic poison. Next question is the hydrocarbons oils that can be used in forest and other trees during dormant season include an emulsion containing, so it mostly contain the 1 to 4% oil and these have low toxicity to the other animals. So option B is correct. As we all know, entomology part, actually we all are studying every day that part only, so that part is easy for us, but what is the tough part and the rank, who will decide the rank, that is the forest entomology. If we are studying that part in efficient manner, then we can keep the more number of answers and we can secure a good rank. That's why now for the ICFRE Scientist-B exam, we have to be more focused on the forest entomology part rather than the entomology part. Thank you for watching. So remaining questions we will be delivered in the next part. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment also. Thank you for watching.